Wattup Beytubers Spirit Valtryek, and today we're gonna bring you the first battle to the original 10 marathon, which will consist of 10 challenges, then a tournament. Number 10 will be Hurricane Fafnir F3 against Mirage Fafnir and Vanish Fafnir in a 3-way battle royale. First bait to earn 3 points will win the battle royale. Will Fafnir win or will Fafnir lose?
Probably.
Or would it be a tie between Fafnir?
Okay, wait.
Question remains uncertain.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
I feel like you should save them for last or something. Nice. He lost the first battle. How fitting.
Wait, it's first to what score?
3. I think Mirage got that one. Mirage Fafnir, 1 point for Sarah finish. Mirage gets the first point. Leaving it uncertain to 1, 0, and 0. I think you should launch Hurricane last.
I should launch him last, okay.
Yeah.
How's your guys' day?
Why are you saying it with that tone?
Because, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Dang.
You got this, Hurricane. Don't lose immediately.
He loses immediately, bro.
Oh, he got a chance. He got a chance. Hurricane Fafnir gets the second point. This puts Vanish Fafnir in last place. The recent evolution, that's the one falling behind.
Okay, I'm gonna launch Hurricane second this time.
Alright, launch Mirage first.
Yeah, because he's G.
Third battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Disappointment.
Disappointment.
I can't even say it out loud because I'm really disappointed.
You're gonna give me that mom look. I'm not mad, just disappointed.
3, 2, 1.
They're ganging up on Vanish.
Vanish Fafnir gets the second point, putting all Fafnirs tied.
Bro.
I wonder who will be the tiebreaker.
Bro. Okay, I'm gonna launch Hurricane last one on this one. I need to do this quick before the cooler.
Yeah.
Before I join the cooler. Bro.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
I am wanted in 25 different. I'm wanted in New Jersey for the slurping seat. Bro.
He got stuck for a moment.
Nah, dude, he'll just asserting his dominance, showing that he won't burn.
Mirage Fafnir gets the second point, putting him in the lead.
Mirage.
Vanish Fafnir gets the second point for putting him in the lead.
Okay.
Sheesh, man, what do you thought I said? Fourth battle, is it? Yeah, fourth battle.
Fourth battle.
No, it's fifth. Fifth battle.
27th battle.
88th battle.
ADHD battle.
Come on. Yes.
Go.
Vanish Fafnir got the third point, meaning that Vanish Fafnir won the Fafnir Battle Royale. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Peace, spirit out, and I'll see you in the next video. Got something to say?
No.